NACHI's FSW is a system that features next-generation welding technology and friction stir welding by combining NACHI's original joining tools with high-performance robots. As you can see, FSW presses the joining tool by rotating between the materials to be joined. By rotating the tool to generate friction heat, the workpiece is softened and plastic flow is generated. FSW performs friction stir welding, which softens the work. In other words, it kneads and joins in the direction you desire. FSW can achieve a strong, high-quality joint by reducing thermal deformation of aluminum when compared to arc welding. It also makes large-capacity power-receiving equipment unnecessary and significantly reduces power consumption and equipment cost. In addition, FSW does not generate strong light or gas and is an environmentally friendly, high-quality, efficient, and user-friendly technology. Key elements for the FSW are joining tools and robots. NACHI's joining tools are made with a uniquely developed material that reduces aluminum deposition. NACHI joining tools enable adjustment of length, width, pitch, and type of aluminum material and thickness. To assure the spindle rotates with stability at high speed and to support 3D joining, a robot with a high rigidity, high precision design is indispensable. NACHI has a full lineup of high-performance robots, from compact to large, that makes it possible to create a system that supports a variety of needs in combination with in-house developed joining tools.